Durable outer coverings help shield and protect against tough conditions, vibration, abrasions, and moisture. Wires are color-coded correctly for easy installation. GM recommended replacement part for your GM vehicle's original factory component. Offering the quality, reliability, and durability of GMOE. Manufactured to GMOE specification for fit, form, and function. GM Genuine Parts tail light harnesses are designed, engineered, and tested to rigorous standards, and are backed by General Motors. These harnesses are organized sets of wires, terminals, and connectors that run throughout your entire vehicle. GM Genuine Parts are the true OE parts installed during the production of or validated by General Motors for GM vehicles. Some GM Genuine Parts may have formerly appeared as ACDelco GM Original Equipment (OE). Top reviews from the United States. Perfect fit in my 2015 Silverado LT. Got tired of nursing along corroded bulb sockets in my tail's lights. Once they start corroding, there's no stopping them. This harness was a direct fit in every way. Exact same length as the original harness, all the retaining clips were exactly where they needed to be. I'll be back for the driver's side soon, I am sure.